Presenting a pre-owned 2018 BMW. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 18,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include convenience package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, XM satellite radio, moonroof, heated front seats, and navigation system. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.